A wee little check-in. It's my last one from Scotland before I come in. No, I'm not doing the Scottish accent this time. Just wanted to touch base and talk to people before I come back. This will be posted tomorrow, so it'll be a week away before the event is on which is Tuesday, the 18th of June. So I'm at this amazing place, which is Kingsbarn in Scotland, a very famous course, and I'm feeling very fortunate and lucky, and people are asking how I get so lucky. Well, I've got to share this, and I'll probably talk a bit more than night, a bit about some of the philosophy and some of the changes happened for myself and why we started On Your Side Investments those years back and what changed. Actually, I'll tell you what changed. I stopped hoping to get lucky. Right, I stopped hoping to be lucky and I started being positive, and not the power of positivity and this mindset stuff necessarily, but I changed my thinking to expecting good things to happen. And it's not like I found a purpose. I don't agree with it either, but I started being purposeful in what we do. And to brag about On Your Side Investments, that's really what a lot of it's about. It's about finding your tribe. And you've heard about finding a tribe and being purposeful in how you gather people around you. I'm very fortunate to find some fantastic and wonderful people, and you'll meet some on the night. If you can't make it on the night, that's all right. Make sure you message me and we'll keep talking, I suppose. But if you can make it on the night in the Gold Coast at Arundel Golf Club at 6 p.m. on the 18th, I'd love to see you there. We'll be sharing some of these things. I'll introduce you to some of my tribe. Now, some of those tribe are fantastic speakers from interstate who are going to come up and speak to us about their particular field of property management, financial advice, mortgage broking, and even accounting. And there'll be a Q&A at the end, so people love that. You'll be able to bring your questions along. Hopefully we'll answer many in the night for everybody else's benefit, but you can have a drink afterwards with us and have a beer, and we'll chat away, and you can talk to other investors as well. So I just want to share that positivity story. It's not about the power of positivity and things, but it's about expecting good things to happen, and it's about being purposeful in what you do. So I look forward to seeing you all on the night, and for those I can't, of course, make sure you write to me and we'll keep chatting. Okay, see you soon. See you next week. Bye bye.